In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Instagram account, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is click on the Instagram application and open it. Then we click on our profile picture. This is located at the right, the bottom here. Click on it. Then before you continue, guys, make sure to like this video if you find it helpful, okay? Let's continue. Click on the hamburger sign, okay? Now click on account center. Here, you will see password and security. Just click on it. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful, okay? Then click on two-factor authentication. Then choose Instagram. Here, you will see two options, authentication app and SMS or WhatsApp. Let's choose SMS or WhatsApp. Then click next. Then you'll be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your WhatsApp or SMS. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.